Are we? Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today you catch me on the way to Harvey, just about to leave the house. Need to go get some car shampoo because I haven't cleaned this car in over a month, which is very disappointing. But we've been busy, which is good. So, I know we've got the drive-by for Mr. Powerflow. We've got that drive-by and then we've got some content after that. I might just split it up into 2 videos, but we'll see what happens as the time comes. Let's get ready for it. So, yeah, is it full house today, no? Yes, he is looking nice. Some gold sitting here, bro. Yes. Sure, look at these seats, though. These are pretty. Every meeting ride must sit so far back. That's right, though. In between. Look at team or so. Oh, wait, but you must on that job already. Probably. We've got a full house today. Early morning. Don't miss it, guys. If there were one section of road that got me excited to own a rear-wheel drive car one day, this would be it. And you should understand why. Alright, the order of business. That one, this one, that one, and then the roller. I'll wash that one when we get the motor. As you guys can see, I've been lacking. Look at all the dirt. Mr. Tosh. What's your face, bro? Easy. Easy. We're gonna get it clean, bro. You know how dirty she been. About this color, guys. I'll get to cleaning this one tomorrow, but sorted. Parked up here at Powerflow now, like at the Shell garage opposite the Powerflow. It's quite quiet. What you reckon is quiet, eh? Yeah. At the moment. But we'll see what else pulls through. There's a few buckies pulling in now. It's all the tow trucks, that's hard. I don't expect it to be busy, it's only like 1:05. Phew! Oh my word! Something's happening. Oh my word! It's so pretty, guys. There's more coming. There's so much happening. Whoa! Also one of the prettiest Isuzu buckies out there. Shoo! We've arrived. Hey, we got him in the vlog. Yeah! Oh! Whoa! Are those teeth? Shit! Righty boys, we are at Immaculate Car Wash now. Just meeting up with the boys. Got some Mr. Icky guy, fellow centre. And a pretty 14. Are we? Are we? Oh, you nuts. Can't get enough. Can't get enough. It smells like D28 in here. Oh, that's all you smell in your car, D28 my guy. Can we get some noise on the wide body? Thank you, sir. Now for just a lineup. We're waiting for one more S6. But oh wait, this is the lineup. Super clean. Oh, it's Francis. Oi! Oh, the boys are rolling in. Chassis mount. Oh, Brenton's here. Starting out. Rollers of a man doing rollers.
Why is this not on?
To go down here. Oh, we got views on views, boys. What? Hey, Mr. Josh, yeah? Whoa! Whoa! Are we? How's it through? Hellos, hellos. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, we do have some pretty cars here, guys. My word. It's a dirty girl. gents, like, yo, I don't know where that came from. All the energy, we literally were told, look, you come through and get some content, and then more people were like getting some content too, and we're like, more content out there in Mexico. Like, it was so fun. They opened the borders for that one. Look at Nathan smiling behind the camera. Look at Nathan smiling. But anyway, let's see what Uncle Cyril says now this coming Sunday regarding the levels. Everyone keep warm, keep safe. Just wing it. That's what we did today, and look at the outcome. We were supposed to go to a different spot, but I'm grateful that we went to that spot because we didn't have any security issues. So, away. But we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.